In this video, I'm going to talk about the DJI Mini battery. I'll cover topics like how long the battery lasts, how to care for it, and how to extend its lifespan. 1. Battery life. The DJI Mini battery has a maximum flight time of 30 minutes. However, the actual flight time will vary depending on factors like wind conditions, the weight of the drone's payload, and the camera settings. 1. Caring for the battery. Here are some tips for caring for your DJI Mini battery. Always store the battery in a cool, dry place. Avoid charging the battery to 100% or discharging it to 0%. If you're not going to use the battery for a while, store it with a 50% charge. Don't expose the battery to extreme temperatures. 1. Extending the battery life. Here are some tips for extending the lifespan of your DJI Mini battery. Avoid flying in cold weather. Avoid flying in windy conditions. Use a light payload. Use the right camera settings. Calibrate the battery regularly. The DJI Mini battery is a great way to power your drone. By following the tips in this video, you can extend its lifespan and get the most out of it. Here are some additional points that you can mention in your video. 1. The DJI Mini battery is a lithium-ion battery. 1. Lithium-ion batteries are known for their long lifespan and high energy density. 2. The DJI Mini battery has a built-in battery management system, BMS. 2. The BMS helps to protect the battery from overcharging, overdischarging, and overheating. 3. The DJI Mini battery can be charged using the included charger or a third-party charger. 4. The DJI Mini battery is compatible with the DJI Mini Fly More combo. 4. The Fly More combo includes 2 additional batteries, so you can fly for longer without having to recharge. I hope this helps. Thumb_up, thumb_down. TuneShare. SciGov of World TV.